Hey guys, Brendan from TaT here. Today I'm just going to show you a common problem on the VE automatic transmissions that causes an oil leak. Okay, so we've got a VE Series 2 Commodore here, 2012 model, has the 6-cylinder engine, but the main concern that it's got is a huge oil leak coming from the automatic transmission. So we've got auto fluid from the bell housing, some of it makes it all the way back to the rear tailpipe, so quite big. Automatically you start thinking, okay, is it the input shaft seal? It would have to be a pretty big blowout of it to have this much of a leak. Or what we've found in our experience is that they get a crack in the torque converter housing. So that makes more sense. You know, you've got this thing, it is leaking from the bell housing area, but it's the section that's under pressure, the torque converter itself. So it's the 6L family of transmissions that you'll find on these GM vehicles that tend to do this. We were first put onto it by a TaT member that does automatic transmission repairs. So you know, the community of TaT really helps out, because I myself am by no means an automatic transmission specialist. But to give you an idea, the torque converters themselves, which you can get Rico units, I believe, you know, I can't see the crack itself, but I believe it's in this area here where you've got a sharp edge on the snout. Whereas when we look at a reconditioned one, they build it up with a much larger weld there, which I believe should stop it cracking in the future. But definitely something that could catch you out, you know, because you can go in there, you very likely won't see a crack there without the torque converter being under pressure and hot. So you could replace the input shaft seal, have an angry customer when it comes back and it's still leaking. So just a tip, and hope that helps you out in the future, guys.